We're gonna be in trouble.
Trying to get in.
Yeah. You have a
Ah.
skunk?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
going into your garage.
I don't see it at all.
It's right there under your butt.
Oh, really? Well, out of all the days it wants to follow into the house. Oh, there it is. Oh, what happens when we're working there and it sprays on us? Do we just give it food to get out? Serious?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there. It's under. Well, how's it gonna get out if you stand over there, Dave? Okay, go, go. Go the other way. It's going towards me. Just hopefully it don't get sprayed.
Oh my god. It's just following you, John.
Good. Away from where we're working.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
Real skunk. The day after Christmas. A La Pew. Thank God. Oh, it's back.
Oh yeah. What is it doing? It's like doesn't even care we're here.
This is not helping to our San Francisco trip.
The smell. What is going on right now?
It likes gasoline smell.
Maybe.
Oh, it's back.
Is there any leftover dog food or something?
No.
What's going on at the factory here? Oh my god, it's going through me.
It's one of those you can say it, just don't spray it.
Been like sick or something? Why is it coming hanging out here?
I know. Wow, it's really in a trap now. I better give it a way out. Come here. Buddy. Come on, buddy. Come over here. Buddy, buddy. Can I walk over there yet?